Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can import table data in a web into Microsoft Excel. If you see it, a full like, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. There are many ways to bring data from web to Excel. Here I show you one method. Just go to the web. Here I have this table. For example, I want to bring this table into Excel. Just copy this URL. Control copy. Then come back to Excel. Here go to data. Then get external data from web. Tap this one, paste link here, Control V, go. Good. Now we are in the page. Just select this table. Just tap this symbol. Now the table is selected. Just import. Okay. Now we got the table. That's the way to bring the data from a web. Have a nice day.